what is home? I mean, what am I looking for? A place without roaches or parents, well, sure. But what else am I looking for? Making a home in New York is like baking a cake on a whim. You see what you've got lying around, and then that's what you make. And it's impossible, surely, to get what you wanted, because what you're making is making do. But if I could cook up the perfect apartment, what would I do? Okay, apartment number 117 Montague Street.
This brownstone is amazing, isn't it? River view's amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
A studio with skylights on the 4th floor. 3 bedrooms and a terrace on the 3rd.
Wow.
I never want to see you there. You'll stay down in the basement where the door stays shut and you will not be heard.
Apartment number 2, 61 East Broadway.
Hey, come on in, our arms are open wide. It's a palatial piece of heaven on the Lower East Side. This big wall is where we sometimes like to doodle. Here's some chalk, go ahead and have a try. Mail's downstairs. Oh, did I mention there's a poodle? Come on in so you can say hi.
Hi.
This is Sean, Kate, Shiloh, Bonnie, Ricky, Eva, Bob, Savannah, Dave, Caitlin, Corey, Kristen, Krista, Krista's boyfriend, Krista's girlfriend, Krista's mother, Liesel, Evan, Pollyanna, Greg, Vanessa, Ruthie, Johnny, Henry, Jill, and May. Hey!
I'd like you to live here. I've made you a key.
Sure. Where do I sleep exactly?
Right here in the bedroom with me.
What is home? Joni, what are you looking for? Someplace safe.
Is that what you're looking for?
Does that make home a memory or a feeling, or someplace real with a bed and a ceiling?
Is home one place, or can all places be? It is where you go when from home as you see it, and
What's it take to
Is home a place we try so hard to find? Or a place we try so hard to leave behind?
The first few days are quite a struggle, 'cause you died a man and woke up a bird. But if pet store life is prison, lock me up and throw away the key. When you're a parrot and your face is red and green, wear it like Mike Tyson's face tattoo. Because a parrot knows his colors say it all. I've got 1 or 2 phrases, 'cause I'm a parrot. Yeah, sure, my cage is small, and yeah, you're the 4th most common pet. But man, the stress is low and the stakes are low, and 3 times a day I fly. They take me lots of words.
Hey there, I wasn't expecting to talk to... Never mind. This is Nicholas. Is Chrissy there?
You can parrot back the ones you hear a lot.
Hey, honey, remember I told you about the new guy from work? Yeah, he just got a new car. Same exact kind as you, just newer. It's nice.
And when a ferret or a goldfish looks your way,
You're acting like a damn fool. Will you come out of the back
to
room?
say what's
We're
in
friends,
you,
baby.
'cause
Just
you're
friends.
a parrot,
No, I
a
told you.
fucking
I'm going out
parrot.
with the
Yeah,
girls.
I'm
I've
a
never even
parrot,
been out with
parrot,
Nicholas.
parrot.
911? Yes, a man fell out of a tree in my backyard.
My wife, my human wife. How beautiful she is. Her beautiful brown eyes. That beautiful, beautiful nose. It's a bit too long. Hello. Hello.
Well, hello there, sweetheart. Oh.
Hello. Hello.
What a pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Hello. I will eventually pick up Pretty Bird. I take the roller out and I splash some white. It's my canvas, I gotta do it right. Spray the outlines, curves, and stripes. Fill it with light. Sprinkle color, make it clash. Time is ticking, paint it fast. Letters, faces, numbers, signs. I'm moving in and out of all of the lines. I'm taking my brush, it's my sword. Now the wall is my storyboard.
Then hop that train.
I'm hopping that train, yo, to places that no one would dare go.
With my
I got my
bag
bag, my ladder, my brush. I gotta feel
spread.
that rush.
Ride that train.
Over bridges and tunnels I go to where I don't know. These walls are tempting and calling me. Gotta leave my mark for everyone to see. So what? You're like some kind of prophet, spreading positivity throughout the land?
No, more like a female Jesus. Turn on your TV. What do you see? Violence and stealing, wars overseas. Who could imagine how we learn to cope? So I'll be painting daisies to spread hope. I'm just gonna sit and let you watch me tag this wall, yo.
See, that's my wall, and I do recall that I came here first, because I got a thirst, and I'm itching to be pitching to be tagging here. And just to be clear, since you're nice and pretty, that don't make you allowed to brag and prowl and tag and bomb all over my wall, because I'm here doing what I love, going my own way. I can say my message to the world, because I'm here doing what I love, because I found a way with my spray to spread my message all over the world.
It's nice you think I'm pretty, but I'm pretty damn tough. And to you, son, well, I can get pretty rough. Pull out the claws and all this, because there is no control to all the images living and spinning in my mind. My hand, my paint, my can, who can? I can. And I wouldn't have it any other way. And I'll tag better than you on any given day.
Why's it gotta be you versus me? I think there's a reason that we met here tonight.
You're right.
I think that we should take on this wall, though,
Together we can
because
spread.
we got something to say. And today is the day to say I'm here.